The following video contains content or language which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. This looks like a huge puzzle. Okay, so, Mario. I was just saying that. So no. But Mario's still doing it. I have to go and play a game now. Mario, would you like to play a game? With Yoshi? Hi, Mr. Molesworth. Hi, Mr. Krinsky. Hi, Yoshi. What are you doing this way? Oh, I get it. You've got to get nature. I'll talk to Dex. I'll pass in the report cards, please. Yay! I got 99%. And Mr. Krinsky got 99%. Very good. Go to the principal's office. Hey, wait. Did you get an F? I got 0%. Sorry. You get an F. Oh, bother. Say cheese, detective. Cheese. And now we take a picture of the freeze to reflect you when we need it. Right you are, Chief Inspector.